Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to upload your first video in WiseCut step by step. So let's get started. First, open your WiseCut app. Within it, look for the profile icon given at the top left corner. Tap on it. It will directly redirect you to the account. If it doesn't, it will redirect you to the login page where you must log in through the valid details. Once you are inside your workplace, you will see the WiseCut dashboard. Within the main screen, you will see two upload options: upload via link where you can paste a video URL, or upload video for uploading a video from your computer. If your video is saved on your device, click on upload video. After clicking upload video, your file explorer will open. Here you can just browse through different folders. You can also use the search bar to find your video. Then make sure to open a folder where your video is located. Once you find your desired video, click on the video file, then click open or select. As soon as you select the video, WiseCut will start uploading it automatically and you will see an upload process indicator on the screen. Please make sure to wait until the upload is fully completed. To upload the video, tap on the confirm upload button. This may take a few moments depending on the video length and internet stability. Once processing is done, your video will be listed in the clip section. In order to open the editor, you can just click on the scissor icon given. Inside the WiseCut editor, you can just start AutoCut editing as well as adding captions while adjusting background music. After all the editing, if you are satisfied with the result, you can just tap on the download icon given. And that's how you can upload your first video in WiseCut. So if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.